Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 6. We are now in our 7th week because we had the intro week and then started lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're starting lesson 6. It's time management. This is a wonderful week. I think like many of you who have shared based on our talking about social media and how we use technology, a lot of you expressed that you spend a lot of time on social media and we're trying to manage your time a little better. Well, this week is for you. We are doing time management. It is something that, like I said, like with last week, decision making and goal setting, I feel like I'm constantly looking for ways to better manage my time. So one reminder is with your SMART goal that you set last week, you'll be asked to report how that is going in your learning report this week. As far as your application activity, you need to record and track how you spend your time for 2 days, so for 48 hours, so 2 straight 24 hours. And you'll see that here on the application activity. It says in this activity, track your activities for 2 full days, so 2 consecutive days. And I've had students in the past ask if it has to be consecutive, and it doesn't. If you want to track on Monday and then on Wednesday, that's fine, but make sure you get the 2 full days in. One thing I would advise is to do this earlier in the week. I have found that if you wait later in the week, it's sometimes hard to get it done, or sometimes weekends are a little off and things aren't in your norm. So it's nice I suggest doing it earlier in the week. You'll have a set time that those 2 full days that you track what you do each time. So in here, there's a time chart. When you click on the link, it will pull up a time chart that looks like this. It's organized in increments of 30 minutes. So you'll just track what you did. So if I slept from midnight until 7, then that whole time would be sleep. Then I decide what category that is. You have your list of categories right here. So that would fall under sleep. For me, it takes me about 30 minutes to get ready. So 7 to 7:30, getting ready, and then 7:30 to 8, getting to work. I'm at work from 8 to 4 in my other job, so I would type that there, and so I have travel there, eat. That part of getting ready for me is eating breakfast, so that would be in that getting ready, and then my work. And then you look at what I would do the rest of the day. And so as I'm charting the activity I'm doing, I'm trying to fit it with a category so that at the end of the 2 days, I can add up how much time I'm spending in each of those categories. I love this activity. I'm always excited to hear how each of you spend your time, and then there's some insights or surprises that you find with how you manage your time. Some people are surprised with how well they manage their time, but it can be eye-opening, especially when we break it into the categories and see how much we're spending in each of those categories. So I hope you enjoyed that activity, and other than that, I think you'll just hopefully have a great week even though we don't have Monday is President's Day, you might have work off. I would still encourage you to get on and start looking at the assignments this week so that you don't fall behind, because all the due dates are the same this week. So once again, reach out to me. Let me know if you have questions or concerns or run into any problems. I have my office hour is always Wednesday night, 8 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. To jump on, if there's a part of iLearn that you're confused about or don't ever use or don't know how to use, you can jump on and see my screen like you do here, and I can talk you through different parts of iLearn. So I would love to have you get help there if that would be beneficial. So have a wonderful week, and I will talk with you next week. Bye.